Nexa3D is all about ultra-fast, high-throughput 3D printing, all the way from the desktop solution with our Zip to industrial solutions with Zip Pro and our QLS series 3D printers. We also recently announced the acquisition of a high-speed extrusion technology as well. The Zip Pro is our flagship industrial 3D printer that's built from the ground up with high-volume production in mind. It's powered by a 7K resolution screen, and you can complete an entire build in just under 2 hours. We're excited now this week here at Formnext to add the introduction of Nexa AI. And this is injecting intelligence into the 3D printing process to improve yield and also to improve first-time print success. So Nexa3D has an entire ecosystem of solutions from hardware, materials, software, and services, but the two I'm most excited about are the Zip Pro, our flagship industrial 3D printer that we introduced just a few months ago, as well as the recent addition of Nexa AI, which is now powering Zip Pro to provide better, smarter, and faster manufacturing for 3D printing. The wait is over and intelligent manufacturing is here. So if you'd like to learn more about the Zip Pro or Nexa AI, visit Nexa3D.com or give us a call.